In this video, we will take a look at what happens to your body if you take 2 dates a day. Sometimes we take the most important and beneficial things for granted. Let's take dates for example. They're one of the most underrated fruits, and yet they're rich with components that might change your entire lifestyle. These fruits are widely found all around the world and have many breeds and species, but what's more amazing is that you can try so many delicious recipes using this fruit, like date pie, date shake, date puddings, and whatnot. They also taste great in your whole wheat morning cereals. Give it a try someday. Now before I tell you some amazing facts about dates, make sure you hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up while you're at it, because this video is going to make you a lifetime fan of dates. Number 7. Best Energy Booster. You don't need to stuff your stomach with harmful energy drinks and factory-made energy bars anymore because you have the best energy booster now. Dates will make your body process faster and give you all that extra energy that you need to kickstart your day. Now the best part here is that you don't have to eat a lot of dates or finish a whole pack to feel active. All you really need to do is to start having 2 dates every morning. Make it a routine and you'll see how many things you get done before it's even noon. Number 6. Weight loss. One of the main food components that adds fats to your body is none other than sugars. It is said that sugars are worse for our health than poison. But what about those cravings? It's so hard to help them. But not anymore, because dates are the sweetest honey fruits you can find. They taste so delicious that you'll stop craving for those factory-made sugary foods overall. Plus, dates are great for your health too. So just get a couple of them if you ever feel like eating that chocolate bar and you'll be good to go. No more extra fat because of unwanted cravings. Number 5. Perfect for healthy bones. Many people, especially women, have started getting a lot of bone problems in the recent years. From back pains to knee pains, it is ever increasing. I see so many women unable to sit on the floor for prolonged hours. That's because of our body weight, but also because women lose a lot of calcium during pregnancy, childbirth, and post-pregnancy. Most of the calcium is taken up by the fetus. Dates can improve your bone health overall because they're rich in manganese, copper, and magnesium. All of these are extremely beneficial for healthy bones. Number 4. Great for your heart. If your stress and cholesterol levels are usually high, start taking 2 dates every day in your breakfast before it's too late. Sometimes we just can't help the stress because of our busy and personal lives. LDL cholesterol is found in our bodies that may accumulate in our blood vessels and cause strokes. Dates are high in potassium, which helps in lowering LDL cholesterol concentration from our cells, saving us from heart attacks and strokes. Hence, taking at least 2 dates every day can reduce the risk of a potential heart attack or other cardiovascular diseases. Number 3. Makes your skin glow. Smooth skin is everyone's desire, be it a girl or a boy, but why spend thousands on products that may not even give you the results or that may end up having side effects on the long run? All you need to do is eat dates. The fruit is rich in vitamin C and D, which is great for your skin. It can help in making it look younger and smoother and works great in reducing wrinkles by increasing the elasticity of your skin. And since dates are great for your stomach and gut health, they therefore work great for acne issues that result from constipation and a poor stomach health. Well, I guess you no longer need those harmful skin treatments because dates got your back. Number 2. Reduces constipation. And dates would never disappoint. They're rich in fiber, and so there's no doubt in the fact that they are great for your stomach. If you stay constipated on a regular basis, don't worry and eat dates. They will make situations better for your stomach and might reduce any pain that you might be having. After introducing dates in your regular diet, you'll soon notice that your stomach is healthier and better functioning. You'll also get rid of constipation problems in no time. Number 1. Strong nervous system. If you continue to eat 2 dates a day, you will get stronger nervous system. Since dates are loaded with potassium, it helps in reducing the cholesterol and keeps the risk of stroke at bay. Having at least 2 dates every day will change your lifestyle by improving it to a great extent. So make sure you eat them regularly. And before you go, let us know in the comments below what your favorite fruit is, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already, and stay healthy and harmonious.